Hello fightClub team, welcome to the video. This video is all about HackerRank, creating a contest, managing a contest, sharing the links, making custom contest, using predefined contest, pros and cons and everything will be discussed in the single video. This is how we create fightClub contesters. No further delay, let's get into the video. I have splitted this video into multiple parts, starting with an account creation, a free developer account, followed by a contest creation and management, then a challenge creation, then a custom challenge, and finally sharing the link in your community. If you are good to go, watch the full video, or else I have given the timestamps in the description. Starting with account creation. Search for HackerRank. Go to the first link. And here is the part. Actually, HackerRank is main purpose is for recruiters. So if you are a student and if you need to create custom contests for your college level or to play with your friends, choose this option, developer. You will learn in this login page, and here you can go with any of these options. I personally prefer signing with Google, and let me sign in. And this is how the landing page will be. Once you logged in, you will find a page like this, and down you can find lots of languages. If you enter into any of these like algorithms, any of this, you will have some set of questions that you need to solve day 1, day 2, day 3 kind of challenge levels from easy to hard. You can try that in your free time, but this video is all about contest creation, not attending someone's contest. So go to your profile, choose administration. You can find right administration, and then this will take you to this page. These are the number of fightClub contests that we conducted in fightClub, the free coding contest. I will discuss about fightClub at the end in detail. And here you can create a contest. First of all, there is two things. One is contest and another is challenges. Contest is nothing but kind of framework that will have everything when this contest is going to be happened, and what about the price, what about the description, a detail about the contest. But challenge is the actual coding problems that you're going to give your students or your colleagues. Okay, so starting with creating a contest. So the account creation is simple, but you should create a developer account. That's it. Okay, so click on this button, create contest. This will redirect to this page. The initial setup will be you're supposed to give the contest name and the duration of the contest. So I'm going to create a real-time contest. I'm going to create Santa Coder, a contest, fightClub contest that is going to happen on December 25th. So log the date, guys. While choosing the date, make sure it don't lie on the past. For an example, so if today is, I'm making this video on December 8, so I choose 8. Time is 11:11. I am. See, you can get this error. Fine. So the contest should be lie on future. So I'm choosing December 25th. And here is the catch. So if this is an open contest, if you are making a list of 150 important DSA questions that will help you to crack MAC, that usually people say. So in those kind of contests, there should not be a limit time, right? So anytime if you enter the contest page, you should try out the problems. If you are planning to make a similar contest, then choose this option. Else, if you are planning to make a real-time contest like lead code or like not a lead code, so like college competitions or any other recruitment kind of stuff, then uncheck this, give the end time for the contest. Okay, so if you choose this, there is no end time. This contest will open for lifelong. So if you choose this, then there will be a time limit. The students should complete the contest within the time limit. So here better choose non-profit and give your channel, or you give your community names, so or school college name, because if you choose school or company, they will ask which school, which company, those details. So why we are supposed to give those data to them. So get started. So you can find we have landed on our contest management page. See, Santa Coder contest tab. So if you choose this link, and you can share with your community also. This is the real-time way that link will be shown. See, And now let me tell you how to customize this page, because this is a very plain page, right? So when our students come to this page, they should get some attractiveness to join this contest. So to make that possible, so we have this page, and when you scroll down, you can set the landing page customization, set up the background image. So let me tell you what is this. Use as open graph image. I will tell you what is this. Now uncheck this. Then you can give a tagline for this contest. Add photos here. Now even in description you can add images. So if you're actually planning for a professional contest, use so much images like contest banners and everything. I'm going with the upcoming video of thumbnail of Coatless. So this is the upcoming video in Coatless. We are going to expose a scam that students are affecting. So I will use that in every part of this description, but you just use your banners and images. Okay. And even in prices you can add prices, rules, scoring, everything whatever you do, and this will be reflecting here. Let me show you. If I save this, and you can edit the price pools in images, and you can add here, and that will make this website look much more beautiful, right? Here also there will be two options: preview landing page, that's nothing but the same page, and preview challenge page. Currently there will be no challenge here because we never added any challenge, any programming questions here. And once we add programming questions, we can preview and check what are the questions available. You can check the current leaderboard, compare progress, review submission, everything you can do. Okay, so now we are going to add challenges for this contest. Go to challenges and add challenge. If I'm supposed to if I know a particular challenge like array manipulation, I will check for that. Okay, this is a coding question. The maximum score is 60, but you can edit for your own. I can give you 100 scores for this question. If you solve this question, you will get 100 scores in the contest. So add the challenge, and then I'm adding another challenge. This should be a very easy question. Array of n elements. This is an easy question. See, score is 10. So I'm going to give this 50 marks for this easy question. So like this, you can, based on difficulty, you can give your custom scores, and whenever students complete this question, the score will be reflected on their leaderboard. Okay, based on the quick submissions and based on the scores, our challenge will list the students, and you can easily give the prize money for them, like, or you can easily list out the winners of the contest. That will be shown in this page. Now if you refresh this, see, you can find array manipulation, array of n elements, the challenges we have added for this contest. And if you check current leaderboard, let me show you. No one have submitted any submissions yet, so there is no leaderboard. There is no one in the leaderboard. Like, you can also check compare progress, like how much of them attended this question, how much of them completed, like kind of. And then submission, that will show the number of attempts the students made. Like if they attended a lot and they don't score high, everything will reflected here. Okay, so I will show you everything end to end. Now let's get into custom contests, because these contests are predefined contests created by HackerRank. Let me show you. I can't edit this. See, the challenge is owned by HackerRank, cannot be modified. Let me check, get into this challenge, and you can find everything is well written. So all you need to do is just attend this contest. But I will discuss the pros and cons of this custom and predefined contest at the end. So okay, so we are back to this stage, and here you can find add challenges to your contest, challenges on your library, and you add your own challenge. See, here is the power key, add your own challenge, and we are going to click this link here. Okay, so you can create contest either by clicking this, or you can go to this page from the home page itself. I can show you administration, then here you have manage challenges. Go to this page and click on create challenge. This both will take you to the same page. I will show you challenges/create, challenges/create, same. Okay, you can either go in two ways. I will create a basic problem, small problem, like that's it. Simple. Okay, but when you are creating a contest, make sure this is the common template you are going to use, but you need to add that level of input, that level of constraint, and that level of output. What do you expect, that will come. Okay, choose this. That's it. Choose the tag that is shown. That's it. Print array of numbers. The challenge is created. Now we are supposed to add the test cases. Okay, coming to test cases. Oh, save test cases. So add test case. Give the input. I'm giving the input as 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. This is the array and the output will be 1 2 3 4 5 because we are just printing the array of n elements, right? So the must is you are supposed to give at least one question as sample. So this is a sample question. If it's a sample question, you are supposed to write the explanation for that. See, sample output. Okay. Save. Everywhere you can add images. Like see, in this contest they have added images. You can find it. These are images. So you can also add these kind of images. I will show you how. I think you have seen that. So in this part, see, you can add images also. Not just in explanation part, even in problem description part. I can show you here. See, everywhere in the problem statement, everywhere there is an option to add images. Make use of that because this will add more explanation for the question and make the contest easy for the students to attend. Then comes language. Here they have chosen the most common languages. You can choose any languages, Java, Python, everything, and choose the language you need. If you don't need Python, like if some companies will avoid Python and J, they will only give C++ and Java, then you can choose those languages in your contest. And if you need n number of languages, you can choose that, because when you are going with predefined contest, there are some issues. I can show this array of n elements. You can't find a lot of languages here. See, who knows this language? Clojure, I don't know. So see, you can't find Python here. Can you see that? You can't see Python here. This is the predefined contest. You can't edit also. So using a predefined contest comes with the risk that they can lack the language that you need to solve. So going with the custom contest and putting some effort there can help you to choose your own languages for the contest. Okay, save. That's it. Then these things are all not needed at all. So if you need, you can give, but end of the day, whatever I'm saying is more than enough to create a college level contest. Okay, and that's it. Review the challenge. Okay. This will take you back to the home page. Don't try this. There is a bug in HackerRank. Whenever you give previous challenge, that won't open. And if you need to open this challenge, you need to add in the contest and you should open. Okay. So add challenge. What the challenge name is? We just search for this. That's it. We got a contest. The maximum score will be 50. Add challenge. See, that contest added. Now let's check. Now this preview this. See, I said right. Like this, you can check. Sample input, sample output, explanation, and here you are supposed to write the question. I'll go with my favorite language, Java, and I can solve this. That's it. Submissions. Still now no one submitted. Let me submit this question and I can show you. I will make it wrong for the first time. Okay, first we need to give a run code. So this code will run and check. See, test case is 0. Like you never pass the sample test case also. Then even though let me submit it, don't ask me again. Yes, submit my code. Both test cases got failed. Here is the solution we submitted. Yeah. In the signups, you can find number of people who signed in the contest and their username, hacker and username. The statistics, you can find number of submissions made, sign up count 1, long conversion rate 100, login conversion rate 100. You go all contest submissions. See, this guy, that's me, has submitted one contest. Number taken time is this, and he resulted in a wrong answer. View what the code he have written. You can view also. Check. See, this is the code I have written, and I got the failed test case. This is how recruiters will manage the test case. Number of times you have written the clean code, number of times you made errors in the submissions, everything will be marked, and so please write clean code without any errors. Take time and write the clean code. That's the way of cracking an interview. And let me now submit a clean code. Okay. 2 test cases got passed, and now if I checked Santa Coda, okay, this is in the competitive page. Like I'm attending this contest, right? Let me go back to the administration part, and let me try this. Let me go to the Santa Coder, and now in the statistics, view submissions. See, 2 submissions are made by the same user, and he have taken this much time to submit that. And in the view, you can see the code he have written and whether he passed the test case or not. If you watch till now, we have almost completed the most necessary part to create a coding contest. But if you need some advanced tips, let me give you. But these tips are not that necessary, but if you are very serious about making a very good competition with time complexity constraint, tiebreaker, everything, then this will help you. First of all, there is no option to enter time complexity in a custom context. So here you can see time complexity, like you can give us O log of n, O n, O log of n, everything, your choice. But this is just a text. This is not actual context time complexity. How to set time complexity for a context or a challenge? So let me tell you. Go to languages. Wait. Uh, Go to languages. Then scroll down. You can find all the language that you selected. You can see time limit in seconds. This is where you can choose time complexity, and this is memory limit. This is where you can choose space complexity. For each language you are supposed to define the time complexity, uh, which is a trickier part. But if you have only 3 languages, 4 languages like Python, C++, Java, if you choose those languages only, then it will be a bit easier. There's no issues. I can show you how. uh, Let me go with the C. For C, it's average time is 2 seconds. You can edit it like it should be a bit more faster. The problem should be solved in 1 second. If average is 2 second, it should be solved in 1 second. Then I will choose 1 second, and then the memory limit is 512 MB, but the space complexity should be bit lesser. This is not that easy as you think, so I don't suggest you to modifying this part. But if you are very serious and if you are very confident in this, then you just work on this. So this is how you are supposed to set time limit for your questions. And in the contest page, go to the last contest that we created. This is the contest that we created. And here you can find advanced settings. Go to advanced settings. Here there is an option known as tiebreaker. Okay, I can show you. This is a default one. I will show with ACM. So in ACM you can have this tiebreaker and all. Let me show you tiebreaker. And there are two options available: time of the first correct submission and sum of time of first correction. I'll go with this sum of time of first correct submissions. What does it mean is, if someone if someone makes a correct answer in the first attempt for multiple questions, then that will take like this. Or this is the last part. In the last time, if someone finishes first, then they will correct get into this. Okay, so I think sum of time first is good. And then, okay, then time used for tie breaking. uh so from when the time should be started, since contest login, viewing individuals challenge, viewing first challenge, start of the contest. And I personally think viewing the first challenge can be a better one, because at the time they start the contest, the tiebreaker time will start. So that's I personally prefer this option. So that's it, guys. So these are some advanced things that you can use. Then comes notification. So notification nothing but if I made a mistake in the test cases, or if I made an error, or if I need to say something to the participants, then you can go to because you are the admin, right? You are on the admin page. So you go to notifications, then you can all contestants or those who submitted, whoever you can choose, and then write the subject like it is a kind of mail, like error in test case number 3. Then you can write this message: no issues, even if it's right, if even if you made that wrong, no issues. We will give you the score, kind of. You can write a notification because it's easier, instead of making multi calls individually or making a group call. It's easier. You can mention in the challenge page itself. And I think that's more than enough. And finally, here's the moderators. You don't need to do that unless you are in a collaborative. If you are hosting a collaborative project with some of your teammates, then you can prefer this. You can add your friends or your staffs in this moderator, so that they can also edit the contest. But be careful while adding this, because they can edit the contest. uh, you can also find a web page in the description which has a very beautiful guide. It's official HackerRank challenge creation page. You can find everything end to end there. And but the truth is, I have covered something more than that. So this video will uh, perfect one if you are supposed to suggest to someone. And here is my final words, guys. You know how to make money out of it. Just basic canvas skills and banner creation for a coding contest. You can easily make money by collecting entry fees for the contest. But if you're someone who is interested in open contest, there will be no entry fee. Then please visit Fight Club. I will add the link in the description. We will conduct open contest with cash rewards as a initiative from student community of Code Clubs. Join and enjoy. Thank you.